My child, I have been trying to reach you. Through quiet mornings and restless nights, through unexpected blessings and difficult seasons, I have been calling your name. Even when you felt alone, even when you believed no one understood your pain, I was there. I have never taken my eyes off you. I have watched every tear, heard every prayer, and understood every burden hidden deep within your heart. You have been carrying worries that were never meant for your shoulders. You have spent countless hours trying to solve problems that seem impossible to overcome. You have questioned your future, doubted your strength, and wondered if things will ever change. But today, I want you to know that I see everything. Nothing about your situation surprises me. Nothing is beyond my power. Nothing is too broken for me to restore. I know the battles you do not tell anyone about. I know the fears that visit you when the world grows quiet. I know the disappointments that still hurt, the dreams that seem delayed, and the answers you have been waiting to receive. I understand the exhaustion you feel from trying so hard and seeing so little progress. Yet I tell you now, do not lose hope. I am still working in your life. Many times you have looked at closed doors and assumed they were permanent. You have interpreted delays as rejection and silence as abandonment. But my child, what you cannot see is that I am preparing things behind the scenes. While you worry, I am arranging. While you wait, I am building. While you question, I am guiding. Every step you take is known to me, and every detail of your journey is in my hands. There are moments when you feel unworthy of my love because of mistakes you have made. You replay old failures and wonder if they have disqualified you from the future you desire. But listen carefully. My love for you is not based on perfection. My grace is greater than your failures. My mercy is stronger than your regrets. I do not define you by your worst day. I see who you are becoming, and I am leading you toward a future filled with purpose. Do not allow guilt to keep you trapped in yesterday. The past cannot be changed, but your future is still being written. When you bring your burdens to me, I do not turn you away. I welcome you with open arms. I forgive, restore, and renew. I can take what was broken and create something beautiful. I can transform pain into strength and trials into testimonies. You have been asking for a sign, wondering if I am truly listening. Let this message be a reminder that I hear every word you speak. Not one prayer has been ignored. Some answers come quickly, while others require patience. But my timing is never late. What seems delayed to you is often preparation in my plan. Trust me when you cannot understand. Trust me when the path ahead is unclear. Trust me when circumstances make no sense. There are blessings coming that you cannot yet imagine. Opportunities will appear where you expected obstacles. Strength will rise within you when you thought you had none left. Peace will replace anxiety. Joy will return after sorrow. I am able to do far more than you have asked or imagined. Do not limit what I can accomplish in your life. I want you to release your fears to me. Stop carrying the weight of tomorrow before it arrives. Stop assuming the worst outcome. Stop believing that you must handle everything on your own. You were never created to live in constant worry. Bring your concerns to me and allow me to carry what is too heavy for you. My strength is made perfect in your weakness. Remember the times I have already brought you through difficulties. There were seasons when you thought you would not make it, yet here you are. There were challenges that seemed impossible, yet you overcame them. You did not reach this moment by accident. My hand has been upon your life all along. The same God who helped you before will help you again. Do not compare your journey to someone else's. The path I have designed for you is unique. What I am doing in your life may look different from what I am doing in the lives of others. Comparison steals peace and distracts you from my purpose. Keep your eyes on me. Focus on the assignment I have placed before you. Walk faithfully, one step at a time. I know you desire clarity. I know you want every answer immediately. But faith grows when you trust me without seeing the entire picture. If I revealed everything at once, you would not need faith. So I ask you to keep moving forward. Take the next step. Obey the direction I have already given you. The rest will become clear in time. You are stronger than you realize because I am with you. You are more capable than you think because I have equipped you. You are more loved than you know because my love for you is endless. No disappointment can separate you from my care. No obstacle can prevent my plan. No storm can remove you from my presence. When discouragement comes, remember my promises. When fear tries to take control, remember my faithfulness. When doubt whispers lies, remember the truth. I am your refuge, your strength, and your hope. I am the one who walks beside you through every season of life. You never face your struggles alone. Today I am calling you to draw closer to me. Spend time in prayer. Open your heart. Listen for my voice. The more you seek me, the more you will recognize my guidance. I am not distant. I am near. I care about every detail of your life, from the biggest decisions to the smallest concerns. My child, brighter days are ahead. This chapter is not the end of your story. What feels like a setback may become the foundation for a greater blessing. What seems impossible today may become tomorrow's testimony. Keep believing, keep trusting, keep moving forward. I have been trying to reach you because I do not want you to walk through life thinking you are forgotten. You are remembered, you are valued, you are loved. My plans for you remain secure, and my promises remain true. Hold on to faith, hold on to hope, hold on to me. The road ahead may not always be easy, but you will not walk it alone. I will guide you when you need direction. I will strengthen you when you feel weak. I will comfort you when you are hurting. I will provide for you when you are in need. My presence will go before you, beside you, and behind you. So lift your head, release your worries, let go of fear. Trust my heart even when you cannot see my hand. I am working in ways you cannot yet understand, and the story I am writing in your life is far from finished. I have been trying to reach you, my child. Today, hear my voice. You are loved, chosen, and never alone, knowing that I am with you always, and I will never leave you nor forsake you. Amen.